The president's response to questions about mysterious drones raised an alarming issue. Federal officials claim they cannot confirm the origins of these drones. Really? We don't know where they're from? What's happening in New Jersey is more than just a curiosity, it's a situation that demands attention. These drones, locked in a chaotic battle with glowing orbs, forced the complete shutdown of a military base. The skies above transformed into a surreal war zone, leaving experts scrambling to understand the unprecedented events. These weren't your everyday drones. They were sophisticated machines, clashing with strange, intelligent orbs that moved in ways never before documented. Let's dive into the chilling truth behind this mysterious clash, where intrigue meets danger, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Reports described an intense scene. These objects zipped through the skies, defying conventional physics. And there wasn't just one or two, it was a swarm. An overwhelming presence of advanced technology caused utter chaos. The situation escalated rapidly, prompting air traffic controllers to declare the area sterile, effectively locking down the airspace. This was no precautionary measure taken lightly. Moments later, the real shock arrived, a chilling, undecodable signal that left even experts baffled. The official explanation offered to the public seemed suspiciously watered down. Media reports framed it as an extra safety measure due to a few drone sightings. But really, would the military shut down an entire base over a handful of drones? That's like calling in a SWAT team to retrieve a lost kite. The scale of the response suggests something far more serious than what is being publicly acknowledged. Intrigue intensified with reports of orbs accompanying these unidentified drones. These weren't your standard glowing lights. Witness accounts described them as peculiar, otherworldly objects moving with an intelligence that's impossible to ignore. The connection between the drones and these orbs has sparked a frenzy of speculation. Are these orbs alien technology? Advanced surveillance devices? Or something beyond our comprehension? Adding a layer of complexity, some observers link these sightings to unidentified aerial phenomena. This isn't just about drones anymore, it's a narrative with potential ties to recent Pentagon disclosures and unidentified aerial phenomenon research. Whispers about a lost nuclear warhead have added an unsettling dimension to the story. A report from New Jersey, seemingly unrelated at first, mentioned missing radioactive material. Eerily, the timing of this report coincides with the Wright-Patterson events. Could these incidents be connected? And if so, what does this mean for national security? Theories are swirling, each more unnerving than the last. Could these drones represent advanced technology from a rival nation? Some experts speculate that the orbs might be counter-surveillance tools developed to intercept foreign intelligence. If true, this represents a significant escalation in international espionage. Another theory suggests that a rogue corporation or research group is conducting unauthorized experiments. The sophistication of these drones and orbs, however, makes this theory less likely. The most provocative theory links these events to extraterrestrial life. Advocates of this idea point to the erratic movements and otherworldly appearance of the orbs as evidence. Could this be a secret military operation gone wrong? Some believe the government's vague responses indicate they're hiding something, perhaps an experimental weapons test. This event is not isolated. Across the globe, mysterious aerial phenomena have increasingly dominated headlines. From tic-tac-shaped objects observed by Navy pilots to unexplained triangular crafts, these sightings challenge our understanding of technology and physics. The Wright-Patterson incident is a stark reminder that we may be dealing with forces beyond our comprehension. Public curiosity and pressure can drive transparency. Events like these demand vigilance from both citizens and media. While official channels often downplay such incidents, alternative media and citizen journalists have played a critical role in uncovering hidden truths. The Wright-Patterson incident deserves the same scrutiny. What does this mean for the future of global security? If these drones and orbs are foreign espionage tools, we may be looking at the next generation of warfare, one dominated by autonomous, highly intelligent machines. The implications are terrifying, as traditional defenses may become obsolete in the face of such advanced capabilities. On the other hand, if these phenomena are extraterrestrial, humanity is on the brink of an epochal moment, contact with an alien civilization. Either way, these events demand urgent attention and robust investigation. The mystery of these drones and orbs is not just a national security issue, it's a challenge for the scientific community. Interdisciplinary research is critical to unravel these mysteries, involving experts in physics, aerospace engineering, artificial intelligence, and even philosophy. Institutions worldwide must collaborate to address the questions these phenomena raise. Are we prepared for answers that could upend our understanding of reality? While fear and skepticism dominate much of the conversation, the Wright-Patterson incident also invites us to embrace the unknown with curiosity. History has shown that groundbreaking discoveries often emerge from the most mysterious phenomena. Instead of merely fearing what we don't understand, we should channel our resources toward uncovering the truth. The potential rewards, new technologies, deeper insights into the universe, and perhaps even a better understanding of ourselves, are worth the effort. The skies above Wright-Patterson bore witness to something extraordinary, a clash of technology and mystery that has left experts and officials scrambling for answers. Whether this was a case of foreign espionage, rogue experimentation, or an encounter with the unknown, one thing is clear: the world is watching. And the truth, whatever it may be, is something we're not prepared to ignore. The incident is a wake-up call, not just for the military but for all of humanity. It challenges us to rethink our understanding of security, intelligence, and our place in the cosmos. The answers, when they come, may redefine what it means to be human in a universe far more complex than we ever imagined. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching my channel.